So this is 20 by 30, so we actually want to figure out if I had a table here, and in my table I have 20 by 30, can these other ones work? Well, let's try 2 by 3. Well, that definitely works, because if you divide here by 10 on both sides, you will be able to get that one to work. So divide by 10 works. Okay, so if we have 4 and 12, well, to get from 20 to 4, you have to divide by 5, but 30 divided by 4, or divided by 5, does not equal 12, so that one does not work. And then we have, I'm going to have to free up some room here. I'll use a different color too. And then we have 0.2 and 0.3. Well, on this one, if you multiply by 0.01, that will work here, and times 0.01, that will also work there. So this one is good. And then on 6 and 9, we have 6 and 9, this actually could be reduced to 2/3. We already know that because we already talked about 2 and 3 working. So 2 times 3 equals that, and 3 times 3 equals that. So that one's good. Okay, so we're down to the last one, and I am out of room, so let's just create some space here on my table. And we are going to have 120 and 180. On this, you can multiply by 10 and multiply by 60 and multiply by 60, so that one will work as well. So it's these four and that one that doesn't work.